This may shock some of you, but I recently just had my first macaron. Now, if you've already been introduced to this classic French dessert, you won't be surprised that it was love at first bite. And in true Queen Bee fashion, my experience inspired a cocktail. So let's mix it up. Start with 1.5 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of coconut milk, 1 ounce of vanilla almond simple syrup. Then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Add an ounce of lemon juice, add an egg white or an egg white substitute. Add some ice, give it a good shake until it's chilled. Then let's strain it and do a dry shake. And there you have it, a macaron in a glass. This cocktail is sure to satisfy any sweet tooth and is definitely Queen Bee approved.